men, would you rather have hair, yes or no? Well, obviously yes, and that's because men look great with hair. Me with hair? Me without hair. See, 55% of all men will suffer from male pattern baldness. And alas, I'm among that fateful half. Oh. This is what my dad looked like at my age, and this is what he looks like now.
Suffering from baldness, you need follicle.
Well, but I'm not worried, as I just booked a hair transplant holiday with Asthetica. Transplant? Holiday? Yeah, you heard me right. Asthetica combines a luxury trip to Turkey with world-class hair surgeons, so you can save up to 70% on your procedure while recovering in a 5-star hotel and exploring a new city. We partner with the best hospitals that use the best techniques. Our surgeons take individual hairs from an area of your head where you have plenty and add it to an area where you don't. It's a one-off process that delivers natural results that won't fall out. And yeah, while continually taking pills, creams and chemicals can help you get it up here, it can stop you from getting it up down there. But with a hair transplant holiday, that is not an issue. You're gonna come home feeling more attractive, confident, and looking younger. Oh, there we are. But putting all the benefits aside, it really comes down to a simple question. Would you rather have hair? Yes or no? If yes, think hair transplant holiday.
I made a hat.
Thank you. Think Asthetica.